dream of living past the age of 100, but Stats Canada data shows that's becoming more and more of a reality. Not only are there more centenarians alive now than ever before, their numbers are expected to skyrocket over the next 3 decades. Farah Morelli sat down with some centenarians to learn their secrets.
Birthdays are a big deal at the Mon Sheong Home for the Aged.
You're so healthy and happy.
Especially when 2 people living here are turning 111. One of them is Foon Hay Lum. Her granddaughter says she lived on her own in her 3-story home in Parkdale until she was 107.
And she'd just go up and down, like do her own thing on her own. Most days, like my father would come and bring her, at the end, my father would bring her her lunch and her dinner and check up on her, but you know, she was on her own. Yeah, took care of the house on her own, like washed her own floors, you know, bathed herself.
Lum is one of 14 people here over the age of 100, and according to Statistics Canada, that number shouldn't be surprising. Of all age groups, centenarians were the fastest growing between 2011 and 2016, up by more than 40%. As of 2016, there were more than 8,200 centenarians living in Canada. And by 2051, that number could increase 5-fold to reach 40,000.
Tell me what the wait list looks like to get into a facility like this.
The wait list has doubled. On an average, the wait time is 5 to 7 years. And in some situations, actually, they have to wait for over 12 years.
If our only solution to the aging of the population and frailty is nursing homes, we're never going to be able to manage them, and they're going to continually end up in hospital.
This public health physician says it's now time to think outside the box when it comes to solutions to elder care.
In Ontario, in Canada, we only provide the big resources, $3,000–4,000 a month, for older people who are in nursing homes. But if we could provide that to people who are at the same level of need for care, but give them community care, we in fact could keep them healthier, and they'd be much less likely to use the rest of the healthcare system, especially hospitals.
Foon Hay Lum might just be living proof of staying healthy in the community. It wasn't until a few years ago that she even went to a hospital or even took medication.
Hey.
As for what keeps you going for more than 100 years, every centenarian here has a different formula.
She drinks a lot of water, good eating, active, and that gardening thing.
What's the secret to living till 103?
Keeping a positive attitude.
She says that one of the secrets to her longevity is dancing and exercising.
Farah Morelli, CBC News, Toronto.